Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to fix the HomePod Mini temperature sensor not responding. So let's get started. The fix number one, ask Siri for temperature reading. Hey Siri, or touch and hold the top of the HomePod Mini. Say what's the temperature or what's the humidity. Siri will respond with the current temperature or the humidity reading. And the next fix is check the placement of the HomePod Mini. Ensure that the HomePod Mini is placed in the location where it can accurately measure the temperature with the humidity. Avoid placing it near the heat sources or the draft, as this can affect the sensor's reading. Ensure that the HomePod Mini is positioned upright and not its side, as this can affect its readings. Keep the HomePod Mini away from the obstructions like the furniture, curtains, or other objects that can block its sensors. Fix number three is check if the sensor is calibrating. Open the Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Select the room where the HomePod Mini is located. Look for the temperature and the humidity readings at the top of the screen. If the sensors are calibrating, they will display the calibrating instead of actual readings. Wait for a few minutes to allow the sensors to calibrate. The fix number four is check for the software updates on your iPhone or iPad or Mac. Open the Home app, tap on this particular button up in the upper right corner, like where you can find the three dots. Select the home settings from the resulting pop-up window. Scroll down to the software update and tap on it. If there is a new update, select the update. If there is no new update, you can see if automatic updates are enabled and turn them on or off as desired. Fix number five is remove and re-add the HomePod Mini. Remove the HomePod Mini from the Home app. Open the Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap and hold the HomePod you want to reset. Scroll down and tap on the Reset HomePod. Select Remove Accessory and confirm. Re-add the HomePod Mini. Open the Home app and tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner. Tap on Add Accessory. Use your iPhone or iPad to scan the HomePod's setup or enter the code manually. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. So that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.